Hey guys, Vivtorsing here. Welcome back to another crazy command block tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make a working swing in Minecraft. Look at this. Doesn't this look cool? And there's all the commands. So, here it is. Lovely slide. Wow, look at that. Okay, stopped. Cool. So here it is. It's super cool, super amazing. We only need like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 command blocks. Ignore all these bad ones. This is the bad one, so ignore it. I just didn't want to delete it because I wanted to keep it. And really simple to make. You can make it in any directions you want. This one's just facing this way, I believe. Oh, I can't even show hitboxes because they're invisible, but we'll show you how it's working. This one's going this way. So we'll make this one go this way. And I did in a Minecraft server make one facing east or west. No, facing east. And it works there as well. So it works in all directions. So we're gonna add another swing to this one because it'll be cool. So what you need is all these command blocks, and we're gonna quickly go through it. I'll explain the command blocks a bit later, but it's super simple. We're gonna do a summon pig here with some of our lovely squigglies, and we're gonna do, first of all, we need to give it no AI. No gravity, and we'll make it silent as well. Do I need anything else? Nope, that's it. It's facing this way, so we're just gonna do TP U and face squiggly 180. Yeah, and I also want it to be centered because that would look nice as well. Because you should make it pretty. You gotta make it look nice, So it'll be 186.484.0 on this one. Oh no, was it the first? It's 85.5. No, 85.0. There you go. It only first try. Yeah. Okay, so we got that lovely in the center. We're gonna slap a saddle on it. A saddle, blop. We'll make it invisible later, and we could just quickly test the 11 command blocks here. So what we're gonna do is tag it with saddle, and then it should just automatically start when I what do I forgot something. What do I need? Am I silly now? Swing forward does not add it. Tag swing. Work, pig. Work. Do I need to add saddle forward? Am I forgetting something? No. Oh, I'm silly. It's not saddle. I'm looking at this like, oh no, I'm so dumb. Oh, what have I done wrong? It's swing. I can't believe I keep doing that. This is what happens when I don't record these videos. Okay, remove saddle, remove the other one as well. Okay, let's get it from the top. Okay, we add swing, and then if you jump on it, it should work. There you go. It only took a bit. So it goes up and down, just like that. Pretty nice. And it's going in the opposite direction. So this one goes this way first, right? I was like, why can I not? Okay, yeah, it goes that way, and this one's going this way. Yep. So it does work in all directions. Now we need to do the rope. Pretty simple. You need lead and some chickens. So we need, let's see if I can get this correct. I think the left one is here. So we do summon chicken. Squiggly. Here we don't really care, but we just need to slap on is no AI and silent. We don't need gravity on this one because I don't know, I feel like it's fine without it. Oh, and we need to do, let's make sure, rope left. So we're gonna tag this one. Just be careful to tag the right one. Just maybe do list if you need to make sure. So add rope left. Yes, perfect. And then we're gonna attach the lead to our rope like that. Oh, I didn't make it face the right way. I think it's fine. I think. If we need to rotate it, we can rotate it. If I want, once I make it invisible, just make sure you're close to it because it's checking like 1.25 blocks away. We can actually make this this closer. We can make it here, like in between these two. I did that on the server. I'll explain that later. We're going to summon our next chicken here, and we're gonna tag you. Add rope right. There you go. Now they're all connected, and now you might be wondering how you make them invisible. Now, 10% of us will probably, including myself, would think, oh, you can do the data merge and then, you know, add the invisible tag, this one. If I can spell it correctly, right? It only works on armor stands because I don't know anything these days. So, no, wait, chickens, no, wait, don't move. Okay. So, better way of doing it is just use the thing that Mojang gave us. So, it'll be like distance dot 2 invisibility infinite 1 true. There you go, they're all invisible, including ourselves. We just clear it from ourselves, and there you go, you got yourself a lovely swing. And I think I feel like the rope is slightly off. No, it's fine. And there you go, we got ourselves a lovely swing facing, oh, it's facing this way. Look at that. If you face backwards, you're sitting on it weird. Sit correctly. That's why you need to face it in a certain direction. So wherever way you're facing it, so we faced it this way, you gotta sit this way. The other one, that's weird. Why is that? Oh, I know why. I know why this one's acting weird. And this one you gotta face this way. This one's acting weird because it's using this one. Well, it used to use this one. Now I changed it to this one because if I go to spectator mode, so this is the learning process for me. So for the first edition, I added an armor stand to check the starting position of the pig, so it can always go back to the starting position. This one doesn't need that anymore because that's more work, and there's an easier way because I'm silly and dumb and didn't think like how I usually think. So we just have one less entity, which is good. Makes the server less laggy, and it makes everything more efficient. More efficient because you have less stuff going on. So we can quickly explain which one you guys want at first. Maybe this one, where this is basically just checking when a player is basically on the swing, and it doesn't have swing forward, swing backward, swing back, swing center. I'll explain that. And you know, you're writing it. Then we just tag it with swing forward so it can start the swing. So you can also just have it like you can just move it. It will go one round and it will stop. Some physics. I don't want to make it more complicated. That looks pretty nice. Now for the rope, we just, you know, we execute at our pig, and we want to find the closest rope left and set it with our carrots. We're using carrots instead of squiggly, so it can work in all 4 directions. I should have knew that for, where is it? This tutorial? No. Yeah, this one, the bed one, would have been pretty nice if I did like that. I think. Yeah, I think so. Which other one? There's another tutorial I made that now I regret not using carrots. Is it not here? Oh, it's all the way over there. It's all the way over there. I'm not gonna fly there. That's too far away. There's one over there that's annoying. So yeah, we're using carrots and then rope right. And we have this one so we can stop the chickens from laying eggs. So we just kill the eggs when any close nearby eggs that the chicken lays, and bam, that's. So yeah, there's no more annoying eggs coming out of nowhere. So now the command. So this one uses the armor stand. We're not going to explain that one. We're going to just explain this one. So it's going to check if it's at our swing. If it has the swing forward, it should start moving. So it's going to check if the ground. It's going to check the ground. So this one, you need to have blocks. I'm like sitting here like, what are these called? I was gonna say grass, but it's not grass. It's anything. It can be stone if you want as well. So yeah, it needs to check if there's blocks on the server. Maybe because on the server it is slightly wrong, it needs to also make sure there's blocks below it. And I made a mistake of putting command blocks below it, which broke everything. But we'll explain that. We'll explain that afterwards. So yeah, and it's gonna go this way, or the forward way. So this one's going this way. It will go up about 1.5 blocks up, which I think is pretty good. Then once it finally hits, so if the block is air, so it's already at the top, it will add back center, remove swing forward, and this one's going to check if the chicken has back center and bring it back down to where it started. So it's just going the opposite direction, right? I feel like no one's interested in this, but it's a different way of doing it. I was going to use a timer, but then I was worried about server lag and messing things up, so I'm just using tags because I think tags there might be a better way, but I think tags work. So yeah, we added tags, so we have that, and then once it's back down to the ground, so it's gonna check if the block is, yep, here it is. So if it's air, not air, so it's touching the ground, we're gonna add swing back, remove the back center, so now it's gonna go backwards, so this way. It's going to go up the opposite. It's the same as the front ones. And then we're going to add the swing center. We're going to remove it. This is going to check if it's center, and it's going to go back to the starting position and get rid of it. And that's it. It stops. We could make it loop if you really wanted to. So we can just move this command block one forward. So it'll be here. It'll be here. And then have this one add swing forward. Right, and then it would loop, but we're not gonna do that. That's we don't want it to loop. Then it would look weird. And we can also bring this one closer, because I did that in the Vivtorsing server, so we can explain that. I think I have a screenshot. Hopefully, editor me or whoever editing the video today, slap that in the screen. So I think Victoria found out that I was making this and got extremely excited and wanted on the server immediately. So I had to add it. So we added it. I hope editor is showing the picture, and we're just there having fun. A bunch of players came and saw the swings. They're like, wow, my childhood. I go to the park all the time. Brings back the good old days, all that good stuff. This is actually a really fun project. This idea came from me while sleeping. I just woke up. It's like, this is a great video idea. Let's go do it. And it's pretty cool. It's like everyone on the server stopped whatever they're doing and just sat on the swings for 5-10 minutes. And then it's like, oh, this is awesome. And this, because it's on the server and there's some server issues, you could adjust some of these. I think we adjusted one of the commands. No, we didn't. We did not adjust any of the commands. It's just that the pigs went slightly in the ground. That's why we needed an extra layer of blocks under it. So so then these commands can detect that and run correctly. So yeah, there it is, our lovely swings. I was going to let a creeper ride it with me, but this is in the opposite direction. So that kind of sucks. No, let's do it. We gotta do it. We gotta let the creeper ride it. Creeper. I am super dumb. Okay. The creeper's hitboxes are different. I just don't remember exactly what they're. Not hitboxes. They're like slightly different. So we're just gonna change this to 1. I don't know anymore. Yay! Yay! Creeper's riding the swings. Let me get rid of this. Yay! Look, me and this is a bit too far off. Oh well, I made it closer on the server, but yay! Look at the creeper, it's so happy. Creeper, you like it? I was gonna say let's go into survival real quick, but that's a bad. Oh, that's another thing I need to. That's the one tag that we didn't add. We need to make all of these 3 invulnerable. Invulnerable. What's the tag? This one that I'm not gonna be able to spell because I think I spelled it correctly. Yeah. So no one can accidentally kill the swings or the pig or the creeper or the chicken. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button down below. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more weird videos like this one. Me and Creeper are gonna be sitting here riding the swings for maybe 5 more minutes, but we're gonna end the video. So yeah, just make sure you got the hitbox correct. That's the one thing we changed on the server. Here's point 3 on the server. It was we needed 3.5. I'm pretty sure. I think it was this one that needed changing. So if it, for some reason it's not triggering, play around with these numbers. They're not perfect for some reason because I'm not getting them perfect. But yeah, if worst comes to worst, make it 1. Then if it's too close, you might. I mean, when it's too close, you might accidentally trigger both. But on the server, we did 3.5, so 0.35. So yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button. If you got any video ideas, please leave them in the comments. I'm completely out of ideas. I don't have this. This is like the last good idea I have. So, yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and bye, guys. Oh, I failed the jump. Oh.